Hey traders, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic lined up for you: how to consistently make $20 daily using the powerful shooting star candlestick pattern. If you're looking to boost your trading profits, stay tuned because we've got some valuable insights coming your way. Before we dive into the strategy, let's quickly refresh our memory on what a shooting star candlestick is. It's a bearish reversal pattern characterized by a small real body at the bottom and a long upper shadow. This pattern signals potential trend reversal, and when used strategically, it can be a game changer for your trading. In this section, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of identifying shooting star candlesticks on your charts. We'll discuss the key features to look out for and share tips on different time frames where this pattern tends to be most effective. Trading isn't just about spotting patterns, it's also about confirming signals. We'll explore some powerful confirmation indicators that can help validate the shooting star pattern, giving you added confidence in your trades. This section is crucial to filtering out false signals and improving your overall success rate. Now that we know how to spot shooting star patterns and confirm our trades, let's talk about setting up a practical trading plan. We'll cover risk management strategies, entry and exit points, and how to optimize your trades to aim for that $20 daily target consistently. To make things even clearer, we'll analyze real-life examples and case studies where the shooting star pattern has played a significant role in predicting market reversals. Learning from historical charts can provide valuable insights into how this strategy can be applied in different market conditions. Remember, there you have it, traders. Armed with the knowledge of shooting star candlesticks and a solid trading plan, you're now equipped to target that $20 daily profit. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to demo trade or start with small positions until you feel confident in your abilities. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and hit that notification bell to stay updated.